Hello, James Manning here. Just want to bring a couple of things to your mind as you're looking at this page and considering completing the form. You're on this page because you're like me and everyone else, you're wanting to make either an additional income or a residual income and completely replace your job. In order to do that, you've got to have something that people need. Let me ask you a question. How many programs have you joined this year? And secondly, how many programs are you currently a member of? You may be like me and many others, you're not even sure how many programs you're a member of at this moment because you joined so many. And one of the problems in that is that we keep joining programs trying to find a way to make money, but none of the programs are bringing us any value, let alone bringing value to anyone else we're presenting it to. And the reason is because it's something we don't need. It's additional expense every month. It's something we're trying to convince ourselves that we want or need to use, and we really don't even need it. So, in order to create residual income, which true residual income is something you can do one time and continue to earn from it thereafter, it has to be something consumable that you and everybody that you know is using every day of your life. In order to do that, really what we're doing then is we're buying the same things just from a different store. So what we're going to do now is we're going to switch stores. Instead of buying where you did buy, now you're going to buy here. And why would you do that other than the ability to make residual income? Well, that's great enough in itself, but also if you have the ability with these products that are the same products, just better to improve your health, protect your family from chemicals, just because they're better products, keep in mind that doesn't mean they're more expensive products. So what we want to do is change your thinking, jump off of the program jumping cycle and into something that is serious, that is real, that is consumable, and that is used and necessary. What you want to do is fill out this form. It's 3 easy fields and click join now, and you'll connect with a person who brought you this page on the inside.